walk. Come on. Give mommy, hold mommy's hand. Let's go. Let's go up the stairs. Walk. Good girl. Good girl. Wow, look at you. Good girl. Where are we going? Go park. Good girl. Okay, come on, let's go. Where's the park? There. Wow, let's go, let's go. Go, go, go. What do you want? Oh, you hold mommy's hand. Okay, go up. Oh, okay, go, go, go. Go. Mommy, wait for you at the slide. Oh, you want to go? Okay, mommy, come. Okay, go, go, go. Go up the stairs. You go. You want to go up the stairs? We go down the slide. Go up the stairs. Go, go. That's right, but Natalie has to go up the stairs first. Good job.